Hey there, my name is Fran Loebsch. I'm one of the co-founders of Beach Boss Influencers, where we coach and mentor network marketers how to get more sales and more leads in less time using automation and leveraging social media. So in today's episode, I'm going to be talking about the three the three core motivators to get more people joining your team, to get into more conversations, to get more people putting their hand up and saying yes, to get more people putting their hand up and saying, tell me more about this, to get more people saying, I'm interested in what you're talking about. So if you're joining me, say hi, let me know where you're coming in from. If you're catching the replay, let me know where you're coming in from as well. And if you've got an idea what these might be, let me know in the comments. So before I go into this, I actually just want to preface this by letting you know that if you do not know who your perfect prospect is, if you do not know who your perfect customer is, and if you do not know who your perfect prospect is, your next team member is, and understand who they are, understand what their what their struggles are, understand what their dreams and desires look like, and understand the emotions and the feelings that they're experiencing right now in their struggle, and the emotions and the experience and the feelings that they will experience when they reach their dream, then you need to figure that out. And there's lots of training wherever you're watching this. There's lots of training on understanding who your avatar is, but this is key to being able to leverage these three core motivators, these three core things that will help you get more customers and more team members. So understanding that is key to building your business. It is marketing 101. Whether you are building a network marketing business or whether you're building, whether you have a a multi $1 million company, everybody knows who it is that they're targeting and it knows what they're feeling, understands their struggles, and understands what their dream looks like. Whether you're Nike, whether you are Adidas, whether you are whatever, your local supermarket, they know who you are. So having said that, the first motivator, okay, and probably the least effective motivator, is logic. And a lot of people think, and let me know if you've ever thought this, is that in order to get more customers, people need to understand the science behind my products. They need to understand all the ingredients of my product. They need to understand, all the facts about your product, or they need to understand all the facts about your compensation plan and the company and where the company's been and all the facts. And very few people are driven by logic. Okay, logic sometimes comes in later once they've used some of the other the next two things that I'm going to talk about. Logic might come in later, but thinking that you need to share the science behind your products, thinking that people are interested in the list of ingredients, is probably going to get you less engagement on your posts and might not be as powerful as you think it might be. Okay, so logic is actually the least powerful motivator to get people to put their hand up and say, tell me more, I'm interested. The next core motivator is FOMO. So if you don't know what FOMO stands out, it's fear of missing out. And to leverage, to be able to leverage FOMO, there are a couple of ways that you can leverage FOMO to get people thinking, okay, well, I need to hurry up. I mean, if you just think about yourself, if you've been, if you see an ad on social media and it's saying, grab it now because today is your last day to grab it. Grab this now, your last chance to get a 30% discount. When you create that sense of urgency, people are more likely to act fast. Okay, and this could be, doing a challenge. Okay, I'm running a challenge in my group. and here's what you're going to get from it. Again, understanding your avatar and understanding what their core motivators are, understanding the emotions and what their dream looks like and what their struggle is. So if you want to, for example, if it's a weight loss challenge, if you want to drop your muffin top, so you can feel sexy and feel amazing walking on the beach in the next month, when or whenever, wherever you are in the world, when summer comes, okay, then grab this link, or let me drop bikini in the comments so that I can get you in. The doors close tomorrow. You create that sense of urgency, you create that sense of FOMO, and you could actually add a little, by the way, the prizes are there are prizes to be won. All right. Similar with a customer blitz. Again, creating that sense of urgency, if you're doing a customer blitz event in one of your groups, and hey, I've got an incredible event happening starting tomorrow. I'm going to be giving away amazing prizes, and create that sense of urgency, create that sense of FOMO, like I need to get in or I'm going to miss out. And then once you do it, you take it away. So again, creating that sense of urgency. FOMO is just creating that sense of urgency, like I don't want to miss out on this. And when you create that sense of urgency, that for example, if you want to grab the incredible bundle that's at a 20% discount, hurry, grab it now. The offer expires tomorrow, or offer expires at midnight tomorrow. And you create that sense of urgency, and you will find that more people are inclined to hurry up and get it because it's a great deal and they don't want to miss out. You can do a similar thing with, if I'm building a team, and I can only take 10. Write a post about, or do a live video about how you're building a team, and here's what you're going to get. I'm never going to tell you to chase your friends and family. I'm never going to tell you to make a list of 100 people. You won't have to post, the salesy, spammy posts all over social media. And I'm going to teach you how to leverage social media and how to build influence online, so that you can actually have more time with your family, and build a business in the pockets of your time, and so that you can spend more time with your family and go on the vacation that you've dreamed of. But I can only take 10 applicants right now, okay, so that I can best support the people who want to join. So you know that the struggle, your perfect prospect is what they're struggling with. Maybe they're tired of chasing their friends and family. Maybe they're tired of doing all the salesy stuff. Maybe they're tired of spending 24/7 stuck to their computer and their phone, and so they're not spending time with their kids. Or maybe it's that they're working a 9 to 5 and trying to build this in the pockets of their time, never seeing their family. And you get the idea. But when you understand what their struggles are, you dig into those struggles, you paint the dream, like here's what you're going to get, where I'm going to mentor you. You will have a system to plug into, so that when you bring people in, you'll have a system to plug into. Understand what their struggles are, that they're tired of chasing their friends and family. They're tired of no more parties, no more home parties, no more bugging your friends and family, no more making a list of 100 people, no more sending 100 copy paste messages every day. And instead, I'll teach you how to leverage social media, and build a business that you love, and start looking like a normal human being on social media. But I can only take 10 people. You dig into the struggles and the dream, all right, and the emotions that they're feeling, and then you say, I can only take 10 people. Right. And you create that sense of urgency, create that sense of FOMO, like I need to check this out, because if I don't check this out, maybe I'm not going to get it. I'm never going to be able to achieve my dream, because Susie, or whoever you are, can help me get there. Right. So that is FOMO. The third core motivator to get more people, holding the hand up and saying yes, is emotion. And I've mentioned this a couple of times already. the main reason that people buy, and the main reason that people put their hand up, the main reason that people will buy a product, join a team, is because you have connected with them on an emotional level. And I said this in the beginning, understanding the emotions that your perfect prospect is going through, understanding the emotions that they're feeling right now in their struggle, and how they're going to feel, what the emotions are when they hit their dream, when they are making however much money it is a month, when they've been able to quit their job, when they've got more time with their family, when they're able to walk into a store and not have a look at labels and prices. When you understand those, when you understand the emotions that they're feeling, okay, that they're feeling so desperate now, they are absolutely miserable, and the freedom, the relief that they're going to feel when they get there. When you talk to those emotions, talk to the emotions that your person is struggling, is going through, okay, and the emotions of their dream, then, okay, and it's actually, when you're talking about emotions, it's actually the feeling as well. When you feel that sick feeling in the pit of your stomach, like you're sweating, you actually want to throw up when you send another, like, I can't send another copy paste message. Speaking to those emotions will build that connection faster, will build that trust faster, because they know that you can help them. They know that you understand exactly what they're going through. They know that you understand exactly how they're feeling. And when you build that connection, when you build that trust, that know, like, and trust, because they think, how do they know, how does Fran know exactly what I'm going through? How does Fran know what I'm feeling? How does Fran, like, how does she know the way that I feel when I've got to send 100 copy paste messages again? When you connect on that emotional level, it is the most powerful way to build that know, like, and trust, so that you get more customers, so you get more team members, so you get into more conversations with people, because you get them. And because they know that you get them, because they know that you have been there, they know that you are where they want to be, or maybe you're just a couple of steps ahead of them. You do not need to be where they want to be. All you need to show your perfect prospect is that you can help them, is that you are a couple of steps ahead of them, and that you can help them get a couple of steps ahead. All right. Do not think that you can't, share emotion, share the sense of FOMO, if you haven't achieved your dream yet, and if you're thinking, well, I'm not there yet, so how can I help them? You absolutely can, and all you need to be is just one step ahead, and then start showing them the way. Okay. So emotion, most powerful, then FOMO, then logic. Now, logic can sometimes come in once somebody has held their hand up, and maybe you've got them into your WTF group, your welcome tag and follow up group. If you've got them into your welcome tag and follow up group, and then they start to see, oh, okay, like, they start to see more testimonials, they start to see more product information, because they're already interested. But to get them interested, the most powerful motivators are emotion and FOMO, and then the logic can come in later, when they want to know, all right, like, I'm really interested, like, I want to join your team. Some people may think, okay, tell me more about the compensation plan. And some people will just say, I'm in, I know you can help me, I know you can help me get there. And they, all the science about the products and the compensation plan and the company and all of that, it's not actually that important. So let me know if you got value from today. Let me know what your biggest takeaway has been, and let me know what you're going to start implementing in the content that you put out, in the live videos that you put out, to help you get into more conversations, to help you build that know, like, and trust faster. If you want more help doing this, there's going to be a link above or below this video. Grab that link so you can get started seeing results faster in your business. Excited to be here with you, and I'll see you all again soon. Cheers. Bye-bye.